new present from mum that I want to put in my room like now, but Nora's in bed, which is next to my room, so what is happening? So I'm gonna do like a quick montage of me undoing a quick montage of me undoing it and putting it on my bed, because it is just so cool. I've been wanting one for so long and I finally got it. And yeah, let's go do that. Anyway, in that part where I'm losing it, the thread that holds the end after the zipper of the pillow together like broke, and I was like, well, of course, because the pillows were so fluffy that to get them in they were just like bulging. Anyway, it looks better, but I do want to do videos in there and like on my bed, but it doesn't look good. It just doesn't look. Anyway, that was that. I'm gonna find big ones now to just complete the look, or get a bed head, but god. Hello, welcome to the vlog. I feel like it's blurry. Oh hi, yeah. What is happening? It's still bright. Let's close that a bit. Okay, so hello, welcome. I am now in focus. I all of a sudden had a huge urge to make some more resin stuff. Where are the other ones? Okay, over there. So the stuff I just uploaded, well, recently just uploaded a demolding video from the ones I did last week, and they turned out super cute. So here's the, put it up against my shirt, shall we? The red bottle brush one, which is so cute. But and then these long ones, which will be long dangly earrings. Why are you not focusing? And then these cute little ones. So I did like a whole red bottle brush and then some wattle ones, but I thought I'd do a whole bunch of wattle ones that all match. So that was my plan all of a sudden, that came out of nowhere. But yeah, I wanted to make a whole lot of wattle ones in these cute ones because I've got so much. Anyway, so I had a huge urge, so I have just set this into hot water because the resin's really cold, and then when it's warm it's nice and runny and doesn't get many bubbles. So a time lapse of me pouring them and setting them and see how it goes. I am in the car going to play pool with Taylor and I'm really excited. And yeah, so actually first I'm gonna go get some tom yum for myself for dinner because she's gonna be a bit late and I'm so excited because it's so damn good. But yes, that's what I'm doing. So I look really weird in the dark car, all on my own. Anyway, if I try and vlog while eating this, it's probably not gonna go down that great. So instead, I'll just show you. Oh, if I can, hold on, where are we? No, that's not gonna happen, is it? There we go. No, this is fail. Fail already, that's good. Whole bowl of tom yum soup I'm gonna eat in the car because Taylor is half an hour away and I'm pretty much like out and rack 'em up. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here, oh that was loud. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and eat this and head over. Oh, where are we? Hi! So we've been here for like, how long? 2 hours? About 2 hours, yeah. Been chilling for about 2 hours. Anyway, we're playing our last game before Tay has to catch a bus. And I don't know who's winning right now.
I think we both have just like totally sucked this whole
totally died.
Whole game.